Well, good afternoon, everybody. It's Tuesday, August 18th at about 12:30 in the afternoon, and we're here at the James H. Fullard Nature Reserve. This has been established by the Rideau Waterway Land Trust, and we're here for the first time to take a look at it. There's apparently about a 2.8 kilometer trail here that goes out onto Sugarbush Island, and we're going to walk the trail now with the dogs. Thanks to my viewer Julia, who recommended this site for us to look at. In 2010, the Rideau Waterway Land Trust had the opportunity to acquire Sugarbush Island. So they did so, and since that time, the site has been named in honor of a former Queen's University biological professor, James H. Fullard. He was very well liked as a professor and used to work frequently at the nearby Queen's University Biological Station. In 2012, this trail was developed to allow visitors to walk from the parking lot on Davis Lock Road back to the causeway to access Sugarbush Island. This trail goes through meadows and forest as you walk along the way towards the island. Sugarbush Island is an important part of the much larger, provincially significant Murphy's Bay wetland complex. This significant wetland contains a large variety of wetland communities and also a number of rare species local to the area. Well, so far so good. It's very nice in here. Very pretty. Okay, we've just come across the little causeway out onto the island. Wow, this is really nice here. Beautiful. So what you see behind me here are the inner marshlands on the landward side of Sugarbush Island. This is, I guess, part of Murphy's Bay still. Beautiful couple trumpeter swans out there, herd of wood duck, great blue heron. And this would be a really nice place to look for different wildlife, although it's pretty tricky to get through. It doesn't look canoeable, it's very grown in. Now there may be a channel out there somewhere that you can canoe around, but really looks like a nice extensive sedge grass marshland basically. So I think this is what they call Narrows Lookout. We're looking out over Lake Appinicon to the west. And Chaffey's Locks would be just to the right, around that treed piece of land out there, treed island maybe. Here comes a black bear. Oh, it's Zoe.
She was trying to get to the water, I think.
Okay, we've just finished up our walk here at the James H. Fullard Nature Reserve over near Chaffey's Locks. Beautiful little place. Really enjoyed the walk. Nice little trails out to the Sugarbush Island and around the island. Beautiful little area. I wish I was a little closer to it. I'd come here more often, but it's about an hour away from our place. But if you haven't been here, certainly worth the trip if you're not too far away. It is a pretty short trail, but it's nice if you just want to get out for an hour and a half. And I could have taken a lot longer here if I'd gotten into photography of all the various bugs and things, which I usually like to do, but don't really have time to do much of that today. So catch you later.